Good day, class. Good day. Kumusta? Okay, class. We're going to talk about our AM1 or assignment midterm number 1. Also, we're going to have assignment midterm number 2 and your midterm project. Okay, let's start with our AM1. So our AM1, we're going to submit a PDF file of your assignment. So please, okay, follow the general format. So you're just going to give at least 4 common different graphs that is used in data presentation. So actually later on, later part of our discussion, we're gonna have reporting. So you're gonna do this. First, you have your assignment method number 1. So you're going to describe, discuss, and illustrate. So how is this being used? So then you're going to, for the description, definition, and discussion, you're gonna have 3 points for that. And then illustration and graphs, for example, problem solving, okay, including with the graphs, you have 2 points, okay? So all in all, you're going to multiply that by 4, so you have 20 points for your assignment midterm number 2. Okay, so next we're gonna have our midterm assignment midterm number 2. So our assignment midterm number 2, you're going to submit the minutes of the meeting. You're going to meet up with your group. So please, okay, leaders, be responsible. So the same pattern, like what we did in our prelim project. So meet up with your group. So you're going to record minutes of your meeting individually, so and then submit. Okay, make sure you submit the PDF file. Okay, so these are the following topics, okay, of your groups that will be assigned. So make sure everyone has an assignment. Okay, so leaders, please take responsibility. Okay, be responsible. So introduction, description, definition of terms, steps, or procedures. Then you're gonna have sample problems, of course, followed by solution. Then the interpretation and answer, and you're gonna have conclusion or generalization, and then references. Okay, don't worry. We're gonna have video example problem of this your midterm project. Okay, so let's go with our midterm project. So for the midterm project, you're going to submit here your group recorded video presentation and as well as the PDF file of documentation of your project. Okay, so project documentation. So for the video, only the leader will submit the video. So consolidate as one. So each one of you, each member, we're going to record a report, okay, about your part only. Then the leaders will consolidate the video as one. So later I'm gonna show you examples. Okay, daghan jud kay mga samples na sa akong YouTube account. So you may subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can just simply click next to the playlist. Okay, so naatanan dito topics. Then for the documentation, of course, so that you're gonna have transparency of your reporting. So of course it will be documented properly. Okay, don't worry. Also, I'm gonna show you later the proper way of documentation. Okay, so let's have our video, for example. So this is an example of the video presentation. Okay, so this is a creative way of presenting the report. So as long as it contains, yes, of course, okay, all the topic contents like the introduction, from the introduction, of course, the introduction that includes the history, okay, anything about the um, 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 introduction, of course. First, okay, the descriptions of your topic, okay, of the graphs that you're assigned. Okay, so let's play this for a while. Okay, well, actually, naranis ako ang Facebook wall. So if you want to find where you can see it first, so nara na. And then also nakalink po na sa akong YouTube account. So if you want to watch more videos, video presentation of the reporting nara sa akong YouTube channel, so you may follow me or subscribe to my channel para at least makiklik na ang after. But if dili just find Mr. B. So pangitaan lang si Mr. B. Mr. B right kay kanila account. Okay.
It's been 4 weeks since I heard from my group.
You can see here naaragal sa side ko daw.
Been waiting for them to send the files. for reporting on a
So make
broken
sure
loan
you have the
graph.
names of your members so
The
that I can
particular
identify
report
you
is not
because you will be graded accordingly. Okay, so naa siya individual na group, how did you present your report? Not just, bilin yung grupo, so, kung ba na, gamay ka gilitok, okay, we will see, we will see. So again, please do your best, okay, try hard, okay? So that pwede lang yung simple na reporting, but of course dili lang sa kay one line lang report, ha, okay? So as much as possible, please do your best to report clear as much as possible, okay? So let's
for the
continue.
history of the broken loan graph to show the process and steps and show how to solve a problem. And as well conclude and employ.
So, hi
So
guys.
you have the
I think
introduction,
it's
although
already
ila lang the
6
acting,
p.m.
okay?
in
So it's up to you.
in the morning,
Pwede rin yung
and
delay
it's
acting,
my
pwede
first
rin yung
time
report.
doing this thing. I know it's a little scary, so I want to record this and let's see what happens. We are the group 4, and our topic is the broken line graph. And now, let us all know how, when, and where to use the graph. Let's know the history, the real definition of a broken line. Someone's following me. If something bad happens to me, I I just want you to know the truth. That the person behind Broken Light Life is William Playfair. He's Scottish
So that's
engineer,
history. That's part of the introduction.
a political economist, and other than that, he is also a secret agent in behalf of the Britain during the war of the French. He founded he founded the graphical method of statistics because it was his job. It was his job as a secret agent to replicate the sabotage the French currency and the Lutheran.
Okay, anyway, just continue watch it, okay, by yourself. So, nalagay na sa akong account, so you can play next. Okay, not that, sorry.
There is a motto which has been borne by.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so there's so many videos, okay, like other topics. So we have pictograph, bar graph, circle graph. Okay, of course, that was just a broken line graph. Okay, so kami bahala. Okay, so find way. Okay, how are you going to present your reporting? So pwede rin simple reporting, no? So just like this, ilahan yung casting po nilang style. Okay, by the way, okay, your video, I mean, your video presentation should be just the duration of your video presentation should be not less than 5 minutes and not more than 10 minutes. So within 5 to 10 lang po. So more than 10 minutes gali, meaning na minus nyo hang project, okay, nyo hang presentation, nyo reporting. If less than 5 minutes po, of course, na po na minus, okay? So please find a way, be creative. You can be if you want. So or you can just simply do your usual reporting. Okay, simple reporting is okay. Okay. So for example of our documentation, hold on. So let's see others files. Okay, the old files. So make sure you follow the general format for the project. So just in case, let's see. Um, hold on. Nursing. Sige, nursing na lang, kanina lang. Okay, so let's see. Midterm project. Midterm project. Okay, may itatag perfect score. If na, 97. Okay, this one, kaya na to. Okay, so make sure class you have your select this now. I agree the video 100 and then their docs also is 100, so the total is 100. So you'll be graded accordingly. Okay, so make sure, okay, sa students here, inyo ha ginang name, dili sa inyong classmates, dili sa inyong grupo. Okay, so make sure it's your name. So the second there is a table of contents. Okay, make sure na table of contents. Wala pa na page number yung table of contents ha. Then followed by, okay, page number 1, your group information. Okay, the 5 here is you have there now your introduction. Then 6, you have your description. 7, you have your definition of terms. Okay, 8, you have there, okay, continuation. Then you have your steps or procedures, how you're going to collect data. Okay, cha-cha-cha, okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and so on and so forth. So how you're going to perform your pictograph. Okay, then sample problem. Okay, then you have their solution. Okay, then you have there, okay, problem number 2. So it is because there's so many of them in the group, so they make another problems. Okay, then they have the conclusion or generalization or application, and then their references where did they find research their data. Okay, so that's the last part. So make sure you have, okay, there your proper page number. Okay, so that's it. Okay, class, thank you, and God bless. Okay, have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.